So the next one is, which of the following regular convex polygons has the ratio of the internal to external angle? What they're asking? Which of the following regular convex polygons, which means those figures are regular figures, and the ratio of the internal angle, which means each interior angle of a regular polygon to each exterior angle of a regular polygon, its ratio is 3:1. So what is that formula here? 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees whole by n. This is the formula to find that each interior angle of a regular polygon, right? Whole by each exterior angle of a regular polygon, that is 360 by n. Okay, its ratio is equals to 3/1 they are saying. Okay, this is that given question. We need to simplify this. So here n and n gets cancelled. So which is equals to 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees whole by 360, which is equals to 3. 3/1 is nothing but 3, no? So 3, 91s, 94s. Okay, now here 2n minus 4, which is equals to 4 into 3 is equals to 12. Okay, division becomes multiplication. So 3/4 12, which is equals to 2n minus 4 is equals to 12. So here 2n is equals to 12, minus 4 become as plus 4. So here n is equals to 12 plus 4 is equals to 16, and here 2 and n both are in 2 and n both are in multiplication, right? So that one become as a division. So 2 ones and 2 eights 16. Therefore n is equals to 8. Now here we got that number of sides of that given regular figure. What is that? That is the number of sides is equals to 8 sides. But in that options they given that name of the figure. So that is a 8-sided figure. So what is the name of that 8-sided figure? Yes, that is octagon. So option 1 is correct. So let us see here, octagon is having how many sides? 8 sides. And here pentagon is having how many sides? 5 sides. Hexagon is having 6 sides. Heptagon means a 7-sided figure. Okay, so here our correct answer is octagon. Okay, so the next problem, see here. The ratio of each interior angle, the ratio of each interior angle to each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Just like the previous problem only. Okay, so here again what they are saying, each interior angle. So the formula which one we use to find each interior angle of a regular polygon, that is 2n minus 4 into 90 whole by n. Okay, so this is that each interior angle of a regular polygon, and what they are saying, external angle. External angle is nothing but exterior angle. So each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 360 by n. Okay, now here its ratio is given, that is 1/2. Okay, so this is that given question. Okay, what is that given question? The ratio of that each interior angle of a regular polygon to each exterior angle of a regular polygon, that is equals to 1/2. So here n and n gets cancelled. Afterwards 91s, 94s, 360. Okay, after simplification, so 2n minus 4 whole by here 4. So which is equals to 1/2. So here cancellations like this also we can do, that is 2 ones and here 2 twos. Okay, so which is equals to 2n minus 4, which is equals to 1 into 2 is equals to 2. So from this one 2n is equals to 2 minus 4 become as plus 4. So 2n is equals to 6. So from this one n is equals to 6/2. So 2 ones and 2 threes. So what is the value of n here? So that is n is equals to 3. So that is a regular polygon. What is the regular polygon here? That is a 3-sided figure, that is nothing but a triangle, but here they are saying that that is a regular polygon. Okay, so regular triangle we will call that one as equilateral triangle. Okay, that is nothing but equilateral triangle. Okay, so here option 4 is correct. Okay, that is equilateral triangle, no? So equilateral triangle means all sides are having that equal length and all angles are equal, no? So we know that each interior angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. We know this condition. Okay, so here when you are extending this one, here we will get that one of that exterior angle. If you extend this side, here another exterior angle. So extend this one, here another exterior angle. So these two angles forms here linear pair, no? So this angle is nothing but equals to 120 degrees. 120 plus 60 is equals to 180. So here also 120, here also 120. Now see that question what they are asking. Each interior angle of a regular polygon. What is that interior angle here? 60 degrees. 2. The ratio of each interior angle of a regular polygon to exterior angle. So what is that exterior angle? 120 degrees. So 61s and 62s. That's what they given in that question. Okay. So just for checking process, I told you this one, how you got that 1:2. Okay. Just for checking process, this is not required. Okay. Again, this is same type of question. The ratio of interior angle to exterior angle. So 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees whole by n whole by 360 by n. So it's a ratio they given. What is that? Regular polygon, that is equals to 7:2 means that is nothing but 7 by 2. So here n and n gets cancelled. 94 360. So this one 2n minus 4 whole by 4, which is equals to 7 by 2. So 2 1s and here 2 2s. After that 2n minus 4 is equals to 7 and here 2 is in division, no? So that one become as multiplication. So from this one 2n minus 4 is equals to 7 2s 14. So here 2n is equals to 14 minus 4 become as plus 4. So from this one n is equals to 18 by 2. So 2 1s and 2 9s. So n is equals to how many sides here? Here number of sides is equals to 9. Okay. So option 1 is correct. Okay. So that is a 9-sided figure means which figure that is? That is a regular nonagon. Okay. So once see this question here. Interior angle of a regular polygon of n sides. Interior angle of a regular polygon of n sides. So here 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees whole by n. Each interior angle of a regular polygon with n sides is equal to the exterior angle of a regular polygon of k sides. So here what they are saying, interior angle of each interior angle of a polygon with n sides, n number of sides. That interior angle is equal to exterior angle of a regular polygon having k sides. So here number of sides are different, but they are saying that here the interior angle is equal to exterior angle of that another polygon. Okay, that is the meaning of this question. So here what they are saying, each interior angle of a polygon, of a regular polygon with n sides is equal to each exterior angle of a regular polygon with k sides. According to that question, given this one. So this is that given condition. When these two will become equal, okay, that one we have to check. Okay, what is the value of n, what is the value of k? Okay, so at which cases it is possible? Okay, like that how many such pairs are there? Okay, before going to say that, first easy to find that how many pairs are there. First you better to check that the factors of 360. So factors of 360, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 18, 20, 24, 30, 36, 40, 40, 45, 60, 72, 90, 180, 360. Sorry. 90, 120, 180, 360. So here once observe that these all are that factors of 360. Okay, why we written like this means here k must be an integer. Okay, k belongs to integer and that must be positive integer. Why? Because the number of sides is always a positive, no? So that's why here k must be a positive integer. Okay, when you will get that k is a positive integer, and in the same way n is also a positive integer, right? Okay, why? Because here number of sides is always positive. Okay, to make that these two equal, n should be positive integer and k is also should be positive integer. Okay, here in this case we have that n and n, no, that's why here we can't take that any factors. Here directly only one variable is there, so easily we can take that factors of that 360. So what are the factors of 360 here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 12 15 18 20 24 30 36 40 45 60 72 90 120 180 and 360. So in totally how many factors are there here? 24 factors are there. So here need to check the 24, ma'am. Yes, you have to check that all 24. Okay, but here we can eliminate that 4 options. What are those? Means here the number of sides, minimum number of sides of a polygon, that is equals to, we know that that is 3 line segments required, right? So 3 lines here, just assume that these all are number of sides only. Sides means number of lines. Okay, so minimum number of sides required to form a polygon. What is that? So that is nothing but 3 onwards, no? So 1 is not possible, 2 is not possible. Okay, that's why we have to start from that 3 onwards. Okay, and we can eliminate that other 2 divisors also. What are those? If you take that 360, okay, here 360 by 360, okay, that is equals to 1. So here we can eliminate that those 2 divisors. Now here onwards we have to check that remaining 22 also. Once see that. So let us take that. Let k is equals to 3, I am going to take that. Okay, k is equals to 3. So 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees whole by n, which is equals to 360 by 3. So 3 into how much is equals to 360? That is nothing but equals to 3 120s. Clear? So here 90 into 2n is equals to 180n minus 4 into 90 is equals to 360 is equals to 120. N into 120 is equals to 120n. Okay, so from this one 180n minus 120n, which is equals to 360. So from this one 180 minus 120 is equals to 60n is equals to 360. So 61s and here 66. 360, no? So here n is equals to 6. So I taken that k is equals to 3, that is a positive integer, and we got here n is equals to 6, that is also a positive integer, no? So it is a possible or not? So here we got that one such pair. So what is that pair here? Here this is n and this is k. So here n is equals to 6. When we got that? When k is equals to 3. So this is one of the pair. Clear? Next let us check that another pair. Okay, so here let us take that k is equals to 3 completed, no? Okay, so next take that 4. If k is equals to 4, then 180n minus 360 is equals to 360 by 4. Here whole by n, no? So 4 ones, 4 90s, 4 9s 36, that's why keep that 0 here. So 180n minus 360 is equals to 90n. So like this way 180n minus 90n is equals to 360. So which is equals to 90n is equals to 360, 91s, 94s. So here n is equals to, we got that 4. Okay, so here n is equals to 4 when you take that k is equals to 4. This is one of the pair. Okay, let us see that next one. So after simplification I will write here, let k is equals to 5. So we got that one as n into, 2n minus 4, no. So 2n minus 4 means 180n minus 360 whole by n, which is equals to 360 by, here we taken that k is equals to 5. So simplify that. So 5 into how much is equals to 360? 5 7s 35, 5 2s 10. Okay, so which is equals to 72. So 180n minus 360, which is equals to 72 into n is equals to 72n. Okay, so from this one, 180n minus plus 72 become as minus 72n, which is equals to 360 degrees. So this is equals to 108n is equals to 360. So from this one, n is equals to 360 by 108. Is it possible to get that any positive integer here? Not possible. Why? Because here 108 does not cancels 360 exactly. Okay, here we can see that in this factors 108 is not there, no? Okay, here which numbers we are getting, those all are the factors of those all are the factors of that given number, no? So here 360, 108 is not a factor of 360. So easily we can say that this is not possible. Okay, so here k is equals to 5 is not possible. Okay, let us go for that another one. Okay, so here, so next thing is 360 by, so 5 completed, no? Let us check that 6. So k is equals to 6. Okay, 660s. So 180n minus 360 is equals to 60n. Already you know this step, how you got that? So directly I am telling this one. So from this one, 180n minus 60n, which is equals to 360. So 180n minus 60n is equals to 120n is equals to 360. So 360 whole by 120, which is equals to n, no? So 0 and 0 gets cancelled, 12 ones and 12 threes. So n is equals to 3. 3, that is a positive integer or not here? So 3 is a positive integer, no? So it is possible or not? Yes, this is possible. So here another pair is n is equals to 3 when you take n k is equals to 6. So this is one of that another possibility. Okay, now let us go for that another value, that is k is equals to 8. Okay, k is equals to 8. So 360 by 8. Okay, so 360 by 8 is equals to how much? 8 4s 32, 8 5s 40. So 8 45s 360. So from this one, 180n minus 45 into n, directly I am writing this one. So 45n is equals to 360. So which is equals to 180 minus 45, that is 135n is equals to 360. So from this one, n is equals to 360 by 135. So 135 is a factor of 360. Once check here, is there anywhere 135 is there? 135 is not there, no, that's why we will not get that any integer here. Okay, we will get some number, but that is some fraction. Okay, or decimal number you will get here. Okay, that's why here just we want that only positive integers, no need to take that any fractions. Why? Because in fraction part we can't say that number of sides of a polygon. Okay, that's why. So here k is equals to 8, not possible. Next go for that 9. So which is equals to 360 by 9. 9 40s, 9 4s 36, no. So k is equals to 9. Okay, so 180n minus 40n, which is equals to 360. So from this one, n is equals to 360 whole by 180 minus 40, which is equals to 140. Okay, so 0 and 0 gets cancelled, and 36 by 14, it is not possible, no? Why? Because in that 360 factors, 140 is not there. Okay, is it there? Not there. So here this is not possible. Okay, here onwards easily we can check that. Okay, so let us take that k is equals to 10. So 36, which means 360 whole by 10. 0 and 0 gets cancelled, so we will get that one as 36, no? So 180n minus 36n is equals to 360. Okay, so 180 minus 36, which is equals to 144. Okay, which is equals to 144n, which is equals to 360. So n is equals to 360 by 144. Just check that Here in these cases we are not having 144 also. So 360 is not exactly divisible by 144. Why? Because 144 is not a factor of 360. That's why this is not possible. Okay. So let us go for that another one. K is equals to 12. Okay. So 360 by 12. 12 ones, 12 threes, 36 no. So 12 30s. Which is equals to 180n minus 30n is equals to 360. So 180n minus 30n is equals to 150n is equals to 360. So is that 150 is a factor of 360? That is not a factor of 360. So again we can say that this is not possible. Okay, just checking process only. Okay, so let us go for that another factor, that is 15. So 360 by 15. K is equals to 15. So 15 2's 30 and here 15 4's is 60. So 180n minus 24n is equals to 360. So 180 minus 24, which is equals to 156. 156n is equals to 360. Okay, so here just check that 156 is a factor of 360. That is also not there here, 156. Okay, so we can say that this is also not possible. Is it clear? So when you observe this one, here the values of k is increasing, then we are getting that n values in a decreasing order. Okay, let us check that any other number here. Just take that k is equals to 20. So 180n minus 360 whole by n is equals to 360 whole by 20. So 0 and 0 gets cancelled. So 2 18s. Okay, 2 18s, which means 180n minus 18n is equals to 360 only, no? So 180 minus 18, which is equals to 162. 162n is equals to 360. Is that 162 is a factor of 360? That is not a factor of 360, no? That's why here this is also not possible. So when onwards it is not possible, up to 6 only we got that. So 4, 5, 6 possible. Next 8, 9, 10, 12 and remaining all numbers are not possible, no? Okay. If you take that 18, so 18 is equals to 18 2's 36. So 18 20s, 180 minus 20 is equals to 160, but here 160 is not a factor of 360. Okay, so in that cases also we can check that. So let us check that after 20 onwards. Okay, so let us check that k is equals to 24. So here 180n minus 360 is whole by n is equals to 360 by 24. So 360 by 24 is equals to how much? 24. Once 24 and here the leftover is 12, 120. So 24 5's 120. Is it clear? So 24 into 15, just check that, 24 into 15. 15 4's is 60, 15 2's 30 plus 6 is equals to 360. Okay, that's why 24 15's 360. So 180n minus 15n. Again you will get that 165n. So 165n is not, 165 is not a factor of 360. Okay, that's why here no need to find the remaining all. If you want any doubt, then take that any other one. So for example, take that one as a 60. It is possible or not? So let us take that k is equals to 60. So 180n minus 360 whole by n is equals to 360 by 60. So 0 and 0 gets cancelled. So 6 6 36. So 180n minus 360 is equals to 6n. So after taking this side, you will get this one as 174n is equals to 360. So 174 is not a factor of 360. So that is also not possible. So which number you taken here? 60 is not possible. Okay. So let us take that 120. Here I am going to take that 120. So what will happen here? K is equals to 120. Then 180n minus 360 whole by n is equals to 360 by 120. So 0 and 0 gets cancelled is equals to 3. Okay, so 180n minus 3n. Here you will get this one as 177. So here onwards you didn't get that. You will not get that any factors of that 360. Those all are not a factors of 360 means we didn't get that any exact integer. Okay, perfect positive integer we didn't get. That's why here onwards no need to check. That's why how many pairs we got here? Only 3 such pairs are there. How many pairs are there? Only 3 such pairs are there. Okay, this is that only method to find this one. Here if you have any doubt means then check that take that any other number and check this process. Okay, so here which option is correct means option 2 is correct. Okay, so how many such pairs are there means 3 such pairs are there. What are those? One is 6, 3, another one 4, 4, another one is 3, 6. Then only it is possible. Okay.